if we want to do a fraction to a decimal, and for example with 1/6, where we can't easily make the bottom into 10 or 100 or 1,000, then what we need to do is a division. So we're told to do it without a calculator. Now note here we're dividing 1 by 6. So you need to set up the bus stop, and you'll put 1 in here and 6 out here. And we might need some zeros. So 6's into 1 don't go, so that's 0. But we get a remainder of 1. 6's into 10 go once. 1/6 is 6, so we get a remainder of 4. 6's into 40, well, they go 6 times. And 6 6's are 36, so that gives us a remainder of 4. 6's into 40 goes 6 times with a remainder of 4. Goes 6 times with a remainder of 4. So we can see now that it's just going to be 6 forever. And what we do is we write that as 0.1, and the 6 is the part that recurs, so we just do a 6 with a dot. Now let's suppose we're allowed the calculator. So let's look at something like 8/9. So we can put in 8. Let's just go back and edit that because I put in 88. So 8/9, and then hit this button, and we can see it goes 0.88888. Ignore this 9 at the end. That's just rounded because the next thing is an 8. So this one is just going to be 0.8 forever, and we can write that as 0.8 with a dot over the 8. Now we did see another one in the last example. Let's just go back and look at something like that. So let's suppose we're doing something like 6/11. That's 0.5454. So 6 over 11 is 0.545454, and so on. Now you can either write that as 0.54 with a dot over each of those, or you can write 0.54 with a bar over the 54